My father was working a lot. He had a study. He had a little room that he worked in. And my whole life I heard the typewriter clicking day and night, all the time you heard the typewriter. And we weren't supposed to, I wasn't supposed to disturb him when he was working, of course, but, you know. In addition to those he had in the editorial, in the office, where he published his newspaper. So I remember the old place was in a very, very, now it's like almost Florentine place in Israel, which is Lewinsky Street, corner of Aliyah. Very rundown, very, today, it's also then it was like a market, still is, on the second floor of a really rundown building. 1 floor, 1.5 floors, with a big sign on the balcony, Letste Nayes. And there were just a few rooms there. They were working there. My father and Luden was already there and other people. And they were printing the newspaper in a print house that belonged to someone who never knew Yiddish. He was Egyptian Jew in origin. And there was even, I don't know how you call it, the profession where you set the letters to print, typesetter. So the typesetter was also Egyptian, and he learned Yiddish, and he was doing also the corrections and things in Yiddish while he was working, you know. So that was fun. Very old print place, very old machines. I remember a few times, a few summer holidays where I worked in the print house to help, you know, fix the machines with some engineer that was there. So I was like his apprentice or something a few times. Yeah, I was there a lot. I used to go to my father, visit him a lot of there.